Hello YouTubers, Merry Christmas and welcome to day 3 of season 4 of the 12 days of Christmas Cars diecasts. Today we're going to take a look at Sarge with the roof lights. Before we get right into the review and the retrospective, let's start with the unboxing. Although this isn't a natural diecast packaging. This came loose from eBay. It was ordered in on the last week of November, but unfortunately it ended up being delayed 2 weeks for 2 weeks. But anyhow, without any further ado, let's dive right into the unboxing. Here we have Sarge with holiday roof lights all opened up and out of the package. In the Christmas-themed Cars book, Matersaveschristmas, he was seen at Flo's VA Cafe when Mater had his Christmas wish list ready to be mailed for Santa, and shocked to hear from Sheriff that the fuel stores, oil stores, and antifreeze stores were robbed by, guess who it was? Yep, you guessed it. It was Chick Hicks and the Tuners. Then later on in the book, he even gave Lightning McQueen a set of roof lights. And then was even present with Fillmore and Luigi and Guido. Then later on also, he along with the other town's residents, including Doc Hudson, were seen battling Chick Hicks and the Tuners, Boost, Wingo, DJ, and Snotrod. And during his diecast releases, he was released as a single twice. One time in 2017 and another time in 2021. And now, without any further ado, let's dig right into the review. Here we have his grumpy facial expression, his olive green army exterior paint job, his grille, and headlights and front bumper, and on the hood we've got the white star and the number 984673 on both sides of the hood, and 2 front lights at the bottom of the front bumper, and on both sides we've got the brownish purple tires with olive green rims and the US Army logo, and on his cab is overall white all over, and on the top we've got the roof lights. On the back we've got his spare tire and his backpack of supplies, the red taillights and the 2 trailer hooks on the back bumper, and the license plate saying 41 WW2. On the undercarriage it says Jeep, which is copyrighted Disney/Pixar, made in Vietnam. And that is it. Now let's pull up some of the other his other variations. We've got regular Sarge, race team Sarge, or should I say Cars 2 Sarge, and the other Christmas themed cars we have Holiday Hotshot Lightning McQueen, Decked Out Doc Hudson, Luigi, and Guido. And that is it. So what do you guys think? Which Christmas themed car is your favorite? Well, for me, I personally don't have a favorite. But other than that, which variant of Sarge do you favorite? For me, I personally say the regular Sarge, because it had been receiving many re-releases for the past years. Let me know what you think as well. And which car do you wish for me to record for day 4 tomorrow? Let me know what you think, as well as leaving suggestions in the comments down below, and on the voting poll in the community tab. And if you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check out some of my other videos on my channel. And I hope to see you guys next time for day 4 tomorrow, so please stay tuned. And I also like to remind everybody that today at 8 a.m. on the Hallmark channel is the Hallmark exclusive movie Next Stop Christmas, which I believe to be a mix of the Polar Express and the Back to the Future trilogy. But besides that, thank you so much for watching, and Merry Christmas. Goodbye now!